But when I came here, I realized, lalo akong lalaitin because I was depressed for 2 years. From 94 to 95, I gained weight just by eating, sleeping, drinking, sleeping. Ganon ang routine ko. And I had no idea I was going to be introduced by Miss Corrales sa Viva.
Gusto mo po sa lap ko para hindi ka
Oo,
nahihirapan?
para pwede rin dito.
Malaki naman.
Naloloka lang ako
Iuro mo
kasi
yung ano mo.
even this project with Viva, accident lang din.
Ay, maraming
Ang
aksidente
ganda
sa
ng
buhay.
mga aksidente mo.
Nakakainis naman ito.
By chance lang na nakita ako ni Miss Corrales kumanta and then sa show niya sa States, sabi ng producer, pag-guest naman ng mama mo, chu-chu-chu-chu. Ang sabi ni mama, hindi ako mag-guest kung hindi ka kakanta ng opening and you will introduce me. Sabi ko, oh, sige na nga, kahit mataba, oh, put na ng satin-satin ng mga
Anik-anik.
Oo, long sleeve.
Hide-hide ng mga
Hindi, andito yung mukha ko. Tsaka wala akong leeg. Andito na yung shoulders ko. So, kumanta ako and then Mamita came out of her dressing room and said,
Kita Pilita.
oo. Tita Pilita said, I wanna take her home.
Yun
So,
na.
ganun-
Make home.
Actually, tanggi ako ng tanggi. It took about 2 to 3 months.
Tanggi ka ng tanggi because you were depressed. What
No, I didn't wanna come home here and
You don't want to stay
lait.
here.
Alam ko dito ang mga
Lalaitin
tao,
ka.
lait to death. Diba? Tsaka hindi ko alam na baka hindi matanggap yung kulay ko, yung style
Yeah,
ko.
but your
ganun.
mom was a hit here for
A
some
comedian.
time.
She's a jazz artist and a rock and roll artist, but because of her face and her true-to-life stories na mukhang comedy nga, naging comedian ang Miss Ramsey.
So, si Tita Pilita pala was really the one who started you out here. Yung napapayag ka after 2 months.
Yeah. May ibang record labels na from here na tumatawag. And I kept thinking, I have to go with who I trust, which
Siyempre,
is
Tita
Miss
Pilita.
Corrales,
Oo.
di ba? Mamita.
So, what happened?
Ayun, I came in January 96,
That was the same year you won also, di ba?
May.
May, but the same year.
Gino mo?
Ang
Talagang,
bongga.
ang bongga mo
Kay
talaga.
Danny Tan yung composing.
Di ba yung
Sometimes you just know
Correct!
something.
Oo,
Oo.
and Edith Gallardo. And the thing
The
was,
Gallardo sisters, sila po ang gumawa ng
Coincidentally,
team
sila
song
po gumawa ng
namin.
team
ano ang
song
theme song
namin.
nyo? Yung
Season
season
title.
Akala ko yung isang song.
Pagdating ng panahon,
Correct!
yes, sila rin ang gumawa nun.
Oo.
Uy, sandali. Sa
Oo.
dalayo ng narating mo, ano pa ang gusto mong magawa?
Just
Concert
to travel around the world.
Traveling.
Hopefully have a kid.
Hopefully have a
Ano ba
kid.
difference between performing abroad and here?
Well, ako, I have an album in Japan. So, ang market ko doon, Hapon.
Kumanta ka
And
na ng
it's-
Japanese?
As in Japanese?
One Japanese song, and the hit single now is a fast track. It's a dance club mix of Iskindolele, which
Oh,
is a
Iskindolele
Brazilian
naman pala.
chene na was being played in France. It's also a hit in France now, and I think it's going around London and
This
all
is
the
you
dance.
singing, ah?
Oo.
Sino ba ang most influential person sa
In your career?
career?
I think nag-stem yun from my mom. Lahat ng shows niya, alam ko ang punchline, alam ko lahat ng areglo. So alam ko lahat ang ending and finale and horn section. Kasi siya yung nag-a-arrange.
He actually, parang in effect,
Siya pa rin ang ano mo, no?
Siya pa rin ang, how would you say, parang
Mentor?
mentor.